Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the associate professor vacancies notification from one of the state university, and the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the government university, then it will be the wonderful opportunity. And here the consolidated pay you are going to get for the assistant professor, that is 32,000 rupees per month. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Every post to be filled in the Center for Distance Education of this university on purely temporary basis for the academic year 2021 to 22. And the interested candidates may apply online on or before 28th July 2021. So still few more days are there. Whoever the candidates are interested in this one, so please apply as early as possible. And candidates who have applied online must bring 6 hard copies of application form online filled out, of which one copy should be attested copies of all the relevant necessary documents at the time of the interview. Those who fail to comply with above instructions shall be considered to be not eligible for the further selection process. So please make a note of this one guys. You have to bring the 6 hard copies of application form, okay, which is you filled up in online, and one copy should have attached the attested copies of all the relevant necessary documents. Okay, and coming to the interview schedule, you may check down here. First, the temporary associate professor in the Bachelor of Commerce department, and the next one, the associate professor vacancies are there in the Commerce, Arts, Economics, English, Hindi, History, Marathi, Political Science, Sociology, Mathematics, and Master of Business Administration. So each and every department one vacancy is there, and under the open category. And coming to the UG program for assistant professor, as UG as well as the PG, you may check down here the total 11 number of vacancies are there under the assistant professor category. And coming to the departments of Commerce and Economics, English, Hindi, History, Marathi, Political Science, Sociology, Mathematics, and MBA. Fine. So here all these vacancies are for the open category. And you may check down the pay scale here. The pay scale, you are going to get the consolidated amount. Okay, so it is the temporary basis, and the pay scale is 35,000 rupees per month for the associate professor and 32,000 rupees per month for the assistant professor. And while coming to the tenure, all the posts are purely temporary for the academic year 2021 to 22 up to end of the semester. Right? And few more instructions also given here. The applicants who wishes to apply for more than one post should submit the separate application form for each and every post, and the applicant should submit the attested copies of their certificates and testimonials along with one copy of the application form. And whoever the candidates employed are there, they have to apply through proper channel. Through proper channel means you have to bring the no objection certificate. Okay, and incomplete applications on plain paper or the manual method other than the online method or applications without necessary documents will not be entertained. Right? And the applicant should attend the interview at their own cost along with their original certificates on the scheduled date and time of the interview office. And all updates and corrigendum instructions regarding this recruitment drive will be updated from time to time in the official website. If you are having any query regarding this recruitment notification, here the email ID is provided: est_pg@unishivaji.ac.in. Okay, and coming to the qualifications, we will see. For the associate professor, definitely the PhD is required, but while coming to the assistant professor, we will see that a master's degree with 55% of marks in a concerned or relevant or allied subject from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or CSIR NET must be there. Okay, that means whatever the departments I shown above, if you want to apply as an assistant professor, you must have the post graduation with 55% of marks plus SET or SLET or UGC NET or CSIR NET must be there. And the candidates who are having the PhD is there, those candidates are exempted from this national eligibility test or the state eligibility test. Fine. And one more point is also mentioned here. The fifth point is that NET or SLET is not at all required for such master's program in disciplines for which the NET or SLET is not conducted. That means UGC will NTA will conduct the UGC NET exam for the 81 subjects. Whatever the above subjects mentioned, if those subjects are not included in those 81 subjects, then only PG is enough. UGC NET or the SLET is not at all required. Okay. Next. So, yeah. So coming to the postcode for assistant professor, 21 from 21 to 22. Okay, for this one, bachelor's degree in any discipline and master's degree in business administration or PGDM or CE or ICW or MCOM with first class or equivalent, and 2 years of professional experience after acquiring the degree of master's degree. Okay, that means 21 to 22, right? 21 to 22 means both these two. 21, 22. Master of Science, that is in mathematics, as well as the MBA. For both these two categories, they are not asking the UGC NET also. Okay, they are asking the bachelor degree in any discipline and master's degree in business administration, PGDM, CA and ICW and MCOM with first class or equivalent and 2 years of professional experience after acquiring the degree of master. Fine. So these are the details regarding this notification, guys. So you too please check down once this notification very clearly, and it is official website of the Shivaji University Kolhapur. I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, and here it is the recruitment notification what I shown you right now. Temporary associate and assistant professor, Center for Distance Education. If you want to apply, just click here for apply is there. Okay, if you tap this one, you will be directed to the online application format of this one. See guys. Okay, if you are the new applicants, for new application click here. After clicking here, you have to fill up the few details, and then finally you will provide it with the username as well as the password. With both these two, you have to log in and then start filling up of the online application form. Okay, so please share this video, and please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1, as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.